In this problem, we need to obtain the value of a and b given that -1 plus I times square root of 3 over 2 all raised to the power of 1000 equals a plus I b. To begin with, we'll consider the cube roots of unity. So the cube roots of unity are 1, omega and omega squared. And here omega has the value -1 plus I times square root of 3 divided by 2. So let's use this value. So that means our given expression will now reduce to omega raised to the power of 1000. That's equals to a plus I b. Now omega raised to the power of 1000, we can also rewrite it as omega raised to the power of 999 times omega, which is equals to a plus ib, or simply omega cubed whole raised to the power of 333 times omega. That's equals to a plus ib. Now the reason we have written is like this, because if we consider the other root of unity, the cube root of unity, so that's omega squared, and it has a value of -1 minus I times square root of 3 divided by 2. And if we take the product of these three roots, that will give omega cube with a value of 1. You can verify this by multiplying omega with omega square, and this should give you the value 1. So we can replace this omega cube with 1. So we have 1 raised to the power of 333 times omega equals to a plus ib, or simply omega is equals to a plus ib. Now omega, let's replace this value with -1 over 2 plus I times square root of 3 divided by 2 equals to a plus ib. Now what we can do, we can equate the real part with the real part. So that means our value of a will be equals to -12. And when we equate the imaginary part, so that gives us b equals to square root of 3 divided by 2. So these are going to be the two values of a and b.